How to mute camera sound on Samsung A27 5G. Let's get started. There isn't a direct option to mute the camera shutter sound on the Samsung A27 5G, but here's a simple workaround. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Modes and Routines. Next, go to the Routines tab and tap the plus icon. Tap If. Scroll down a little and select App Opened. Choose the camera app. Then tap Done. Now tap Then. Select Sound and Vibration and tap Sound Mode and Volume. Lower the system volume to mute the camera shutter sound, then tap Done. Finally, tap Save. Give the routine any name you like and save it. From now on, whenever you open the camera app, this routine will automatically reduce the system volume, effectively muting the camera shutter sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Samsung tips.